Tigrinya alphabet, Fidel. Lessons 7 and 8 covered the letters.
T, Ch, K, X, W, A, H.
In Lesson 9, we will work out the letters.
D, J, C, P.
Let's look at how we put the marks.
D, Du, Di, Da, Die, De, Do. D, Du, Di, Da, Die, De, Do. J, Ju, Ji, Ja, J, J, Jo. C, Cu, Ci, Ca, Cie, C, Co. P, Pu, Pi, Pa, Pie, P, Po.
Eritrea is the land of opportunity for anyone interested in steam locomotives.